Hi, today we are going to explore how ice melts and freezes by doing an exciting experiment. But first, let me ask you something. Why does ice melt in your drink? Let's find out through an ice melt race. These are the materials we need for our investigation. Ice cube, cup, access to freezer, stopwatch. Now we will see which ice cube melts the fastest. I'll start the stopwatch and record the time for each one. After a few minutes, here are my observations. Ice in warm water melts fastest. Ice in sunlight melted next. Ice on hand came after. Ice on table melted the slowest. The warm water had the most energy, which transferred the ice cube and made it melt faster. This is called heat transfer. The more heat energy that ice absorbs, the faster it melts. Now let's try freezing water. I placed this cup of water in the freezer. Let's check it tomorrow to see how it turns back into ice from liquid to solid. Today we learned that ice melts faster when there is more heat energy. The process of changing from solid to liquid is called melting, and from liquid to solid is called freezing. Thank you for watching my experiment on phase change. My assessment: the ice melted faster in the warm water because it absorbed more energy. Ice melts when heat is transferred from the environment to the ice cube. Freezing is the opposite process.